Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. Begin by opening Settings. Then scroll down and access Privacy section. Then click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features, like Calendar. Then click on one of your apps that you wish to manage, in my case Gmail, and tap on one of those options, Allow or Don't Allow. I want to set up Don't Allow, so I have to click on it, and in this case choose Don't Allow anyway in the pop-up. So now when I go back, as you can see, Gmail no longer has access to my device's calendar. If you want to, you can always click on any feature and then look for an app that you wish to manage. I will go with Location to access my camera. Now scroll all the way down and click on See All Camera Permissions instead. Finally, manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!